Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna go through how to change your website template, switch the template on Squarespace. Now once you click on your website and you go ahead to this page where you may, long time ago, you may have seen this switch templates option and design option, which I also don't see here anymore. So there is website pages and styles. If you click on styles, you will be redirected to this page where you can change fonts, colors, buttons, forms, and some accessories like animations, image blocks, and spacing, as you can see. And this is the only thing you can change actually. There's no switch template button anymore. So all you have to do is go ahead to the dashboard, create a website, and create a new website. So let's just skip these. And how would you like to get started? So let's choose a professionally made template, and here you will have all of your templates where you can choose from to create your own website. So that's basically it. You have to create a new website to do this.